Shipping your car soon? Here's how to prepare it step by step so your pickup goes smoothly and your vehicle is ready for transport. Step 1. Wash your vehicle. Give your car a quick exterior wash. A clean car helps during the pickup inspection. Any existing scratches or dents will be easier to spot and record on the bill of lading. Step 2. Remove personal items and check limits. You're generally allowed up to 100 lbs of personal items inside the vehicle, but keep them below window level and securely packed. Remove valuables, electronics, or anything loose that could shift during transit. Step 3. Check for leaks or mechanical issues. Make sure there are no fluid leaks and that your car starts and rolls properly. If your car is inoperable, let us know in advance. We can still ship it, but the carrier will need special equipment. Step 4. Disable toll devices and alarms. Turn off any toll devices so you're not charged during the trip. And disable alarm systems. They can be triggered during loading and cause unnecessary stops. Step 5. Leave a 1/4 tank of gas. Leave about a 1/4 tank of fuel, just enough to load and unload. A full tank adds weight, which isn't necessary for transport. Step 6. Final inspection at pickup. When the carrier arrives, they'll walk around your vehicle with you to inspect and document its condition. They will also take photos at pickup and delivery for records. You'll both sign the bill of lading, which protects both you and the driver. Call to action. Following these steps ensures a smooth, worry-free pickup. Need more help preparing your vehicle? Visit doyoutransport.com or call us at 888-687-3243. Easy Auto Ship. We make shipping your car simple.